Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for dropping by my channel. And today we're going to have a Tagalog mukbang. So if you guys don't want to watch, just click off the video. It's not going to be translated in English. So yeah, so there. You guys need to find a translator or somebody that knows how to speak it if you guys can't speak it. Or you could probably Google it if you're a good listener. So with that being said, let's begin this mukbang. Ang mukbang natin ngayong gabi, guys, is KFC. Ayun. Kasi meron tayong coupon. So yan. KFC tayo ngayong gabi. Anong tagal na, no? Nag-mukbang ako ng Tagalog. So, may gravy yung sides, tapos yung mashed potato. Tapos, meron siyang coleslaw. Ito, coleslaw. I don't know if you guys can see. Basta may coleslaw. There's coleslaw and then there's biscuit. But the phone is on the biscuit, so I can't show you guys it. This one is Panda Express and this one is Crab Rangoon. We got some, whatchamacallit? Panda Express. Right here. Okay, we used to drive out of town to eat this. This was the very first restaurant that we ate at whenever we first moved in this area. It's a Panda Express. And the kids were little then. So now they got a little bit bigger. They moved it over here in our area, in our town. So, yeah. Okay, so Crab Rangoon siya, tapos yung chow mein, ordered large ng chow mein. Tapos yung KFC, extra crispy. Okay? Okay. Tapos you guys, they hooked us up with a bunch of sauces. This one's the Sticky Chicky, the Buffalo Ranch, the Honey Barbecue, and the classic ranch, and they also have honey mustard. Then they have the comeback sauce, which is zesty and peppery, guys. Oh, okay, let's go. Let's dig in. We said grace. We always say grace. So we thank, of course, our Lord Jesus Christ first and foremost, and then everybody else. One love, guys. All the spirits, everything that's not mentioned, we also thank them. Allah, Bathala, everybody, Yahweh. They're all the same, guys. Buddha, they're all the same. We'll just all go through this one time. For sure. Because nobody really reported from the past or from the present. But what if it is? Right? Sabi nila yung technology is 10 years ahead. So, ba 2025 na? Isipin mo, 2030 na. Oh, eh? Ay, 2030. Ano? 10 years from now nga. 2025 for 10 years. 2035. Ayan. Ang technology, nasa 30-35 na. So, ahead na yun sa'yo. Yun na yung future eh. Diba? But anyway. Ang dami na kagaguhan na nangyayari, no? Kay Trump. Ano magagawa mo? Ayun yung paborito nila eh. Sus ko, Mariose. Gusto nilang panuorin. Gusto nilang sundin. Ano? Okay nga eh, hindi naman na mag-isip yung mga tao, no? hinahayaan na lang nila yung social media na you know, gawin yung decision para sa kanila. Okay, guys, ito, Century Egg. Okay. Binibili namin yan sa Chinese grocery store or any Asian grocery store. Century Egg yan siya, guys. Okay. Tapos itong nails ko, yung paborito namin nail tech dito sa town. Ano sila? Taga Cambodia. Tapos yung mga Vietnamese. Yun. Okay. This how you crack the egg, ano? You crack. Usually, you can eat this with seaweed. Seaweed with Century Egg. In Asia, it's like a delicacy. Like a thing that I enjoy eating as well. It's like together with taro puff. I want to show you guys what it looks like. I don't eat this all the time because it's pretty salty, but I do love them every now and again. Okay, it's not something I eat all the time. It's like when I get the hankering for it, then I get it. Does that make sense? Okay. This is what it looks like, you guys. Century Egg. Isn't that interesting? And then it's kind of muddy inside. You guys probably won't like the consistency, but it's pretty like muddy. See, but I love it. They bury it in the ground, I think, or in a clay pot, something. Okay, cheers. Okay, anyway. Ano nga magagawa mo kung yun ang tipo ng tao na gusto nila buhayin? Wala kang magagawa. Kasi mayaman sila eh. Hindi naman nila alam kung what it's like. Ay kung ipakita mo sa kanila. Ay! Ala, sorry you guys. Nahulog yung telepono. Yung camera. Inaabot ko kasi yung sauce eh. Sauce Mariosep. Akala ko tissue. Sandali lang guys. Akala ko ang tissue. May ibon. May ibon nagtuchot. Si Rainbow. Alam niya kasi minsan nag-video ko. Okay. So anyway. You know, that's the story. Panay kagaguhan. Mga tao, uto-uto naman. Ayun ako. Pwede ba? Pwede bra? Akala mo, ginawa ka ng Diyos para gawin yun sa tao. Sama yun, no? Hindi mo sila tinutulungan properly. It's not nice. Dapat, kung tumutulong ka sa tao, tulungan mo lahat. Dapat even. Dapat na-solve nyo na yan, pattern na yan. Kaya nga diba yung ibang tao, talagang pinanganak silang ganun. Kung na-discover mo na kung ano ang rason na pinanganak kang ganun, ayun, na-discover mo na yung purpose mo sa earth. This is Kosa, guys. Yan. Okay. Naputo nga yung ano kanina eh. Yung camera. Kasi natumba. Okay. matagal na ako hindi nakatagalog mukbang. Kasi, usually, pag ganitong oras, nasa trabaho ko. Pag nasa trabaho ko, hindi ako kumakain. Umiinom lang ako ng juice. Punta ko ng tubig. As usually, may ginagawa ako online. Ina-adjust na nila yung mga algorithm na yun. Kasi gusto nila magtatrabaho din kayo sa labas ng computer. Kung hindi lalagay na nila lahat sa computer. Ano na yan, wala nang taong lalabas. Isipin nyo. Ano na mangyayari sa economy? Di ba? Bagsak yung economy. Kasi ganun yun. Pag hindi na lumabas yung tao. At wala na siyang rason lumabas. Ibig sabihin, yung workforce lalong liliit. Kasi hindi na-realize ng tao na paunti ng paunti ang tao. Ang need para sa tao. Ay, isipin niya na yung gas station. Ilang pump yan? 15? 10? Tapos, ang nag-operate lang, computer. Pero hindi man nakahalata yun. Kasi, saksak lang ng saksak ng card eh, diba? Bayad ka lang ng bayad. Tipin na. Pagtanda mo, enough na ba yun? Tama na ba yun? Diba? Kasi hindi ka naman palaging forever na magiging robust ba? Yung magawa mo yung gusto mong gawin. Maganda nga yung ganyan trabaho, no? Kahit sa kumpatre na mundo, pwede mo gawin yung trabaho. Kaso nga lang, ayan ang problema. Kapag yung mga bansa, kailangan ng tao sa lupa, wala na ng tao. negosyo nila online. Di ba nga yung Bitcoin? Kaya nga lang, ang Bitcoin infinite. Ano? Walang presyo. Kaya lang, kailangan mo mahabol. Matimingan ng tama. Okay? Pag hindi mo na tayo ng tama, hindi ka mananalo. Yun na yan. Ang most mukbang kasi, pag nagmumukbang talaga sila, nilalagyan nila ng theme kung ano yung kakainin na ng gabi yun. Ako, natural lang. Ano yung kinakain namin regularly, ito yung diet namin sa area na to. Kasi pumupunta pa kami sa syudad minsan pa bumili ng ulam, you know. Kasi ang city, kompleto, lahat meron sila. Dito sa area namin, limited lang. So, kahit yung pagluto ng sinigang, yung mga sahog na nilalagay ko, iba. Siyempre yung mga gulay na nakikita ko dito. Sa sinigang, usually leeks, green onions, turnip greens, parsnip, radish. Ayan. Oh. Well, ayaw nila ng green beans eh. Gusto ng anak ko, mustard greens lang, tsaka turnip. Ayaw din niya ng turnip leaves. Mas gusto niya yung mustard, curly mustard. Eh, alam niyo naman ang original na sinigang is kangkong, di ba? Talagang original na sinigang is like, kasi gumawa kayo ng sinigang na bango. Diba, kangkong yung ginagamit. Tapos yung sinigang maker, tamarind or whatever. Tapos kung anong gulay na gusto mo pa, na idagdag. Pero usually yung greens is kangkong. Kahit sa pork, kangkong. Minsan nami-miss ko yung kangkong. Kasi minsan, minsan dun, nandito. Pag meron, bumibili ako. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung kangkong na galing sa Asia, no? Kaya ganun. So, ayun yung una kong pagkain the whole day. Hindi ako nag-almusal, hindi ako nagpananghalian. Ito lang, once a day. Naging apat na anak ko. Kita niyo yung katawan ko. Usually, nagpa-fasting kasi ako eh. Yung ginagawa ko. Kasi, mahirap ano dito? Madaling ibalik yung weight na nawala sa'yo. Ganun. So, kasi sa mga kinakain natin, yung mga processed food, ganyan, hechos, yung mga hormones ba na nilalagay sa egg, sa ganun. Kaya ganun. So, anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. At, nakamukbang tayo ngayong araw na Tagalog. Taglish ka na. So, sort of. Diba? Taglish. Taglish daw. Kasi nga, meron iba English eh, diba? So, yeah. So, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Excuse me. Don't forget to subscribe. Click my link for updates. And I'll see you guys on the next video.